Hello, my name is Houston Russ, and today I will be talking to you about renewable energy. Welcome to 2019, where you can't even drive a truck without getting your ear talked off about how many bad emissions you are producing. Pollution and climate change are a huge topic of discussion, and finding ways to fix our past and make a future more sustainable for years to come is a solution many people are seeking. Renewable energy is making a huge difference in the way we receive our power. Many researchers are constantly considering new ways to improve our energy problem by making the cleanest and cheapest energy possible. Now more than ever, clean energy is being implemented into houses and companies nationwide. So what is renewable energy? Renewable energy is when you take natural resources like sunlight, wind, or running water and convert it into electricity. And I'll tell you about a few methods of collecting renewable energy in the United States today. I'm sure you've been down the highway and have seen a solar panel or a few hundred, or have seen the roof of a house have solar panels on it. And what a solar panel or a solar cell is, which are typically created from silicone, absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. Outside of manufacturing, solar panels do not produce air pollutants. Now on to wind. You may not have seen a wind turbine in North Carolina, but in large open areas and offshore and very high up areas where you can collect the most wind, wind turbines are being implemented. Wind energy is currently the cheapest renewable energy in the United States today. Lastly, hydropower or hydroelectricity takes running water and converts it via water turbine into electricity. This is one of the oldest sources of renewable energy. This is also the largest used renewable energy method in the United States. Using these different methods, renewable energy methods lower greenhouse gases, which in turn reduces our carbon footprint. Now let's talk about how these are being implemented. So solar panels on roofs and like solar farms, they use those to provide energy for houses and provide energy for like housing developments. And many companies are implementing like covered parking lots, and with covered parking lots, you can power like nearby stores. You can cover the cars for weather and like keep your car cool. And you can also charge your cars at charging stations, since a lot of electric cars are being produced nowadays. It may be difficult to implement a wind turbine or hydroelectricity in your backyard, but big companies and energy producers are already doing so. Not all the methods are easy to incorporate everywhere, like you wouldn't try to build a hydro dam in the middle of a desert, but it is important to find which methods are effective and cost efficient. This is a rapidly growing industry and will continue to make improvements for the environment for years to come. Even the government is pushing this so you can get tax breaks for incorporating clean energy into your company or house. Clean energy is close to being incorporated into almost all aspects of life. You may see changes in the near future if you haven't already. Most of the information on this topic was obtained from the U.S. Energy Information Administration, which you can receive from EIA.gov, and also the Natural Resource Defense Council, or NRDC.org. Thank you for coming and for your time and attention.